World Trade Center has taken this initiative because arbitration in India, which has been in complete doldrums, has now begun a kickstart by the new amendments in the Indian Arbitration Act. And some of the principal ones are that all arbitrations are required to be concluded within 12 months or in any event within 18 months. This is a complete innovative feature, and none of the international institutions has this innovative feature of putting time limits on completion of the arbitration. Previously, arbitration in India used to take up to 4 or 5 years, and not unusual to go even up to 10 years. The second innovative feature is now they've capped the fees that are payable to the arbitrators. Previously, arbitrators were charged regularly on a per-day basis, so they were incentivized to drag out the hearings. But now with the cap on fees, depending on the size of the claim, nobody has any incentive to drag out these arbitrations indefinitely. The other major feature is that under the previous Arbitration Act, once you challenge an award, the award was automatically stayed, and because the courts in India are so slow, this would take another process of another 10 to 15 years. Now, strong discretion is given to the courts that if you want to challenge the arbitration, you need to deposit the entire amount of the award in the court, and so that it start eliminating a large number of frivolous challenges to the awards. This will be a great feature. And the other feature that has been built into the Act is when awards are challenged in the courts are bound to complete them within a period of 1 year. So we're now trying to get on to something like an international model, so that if you do an award, you succeed, you actually see the color of money very quickly, and makes it now an effective tool. And we hope will bring many more users back to arbitrations who had got fed up and in fact stopped going to arbitrations and went back to court systems. We are all very, very optimistic, and there's a strong arbitration bar in Bombay now, which is dedicated to arbitration and starting to make a big difference. Thank you.